Top 3 Air Hammers for 2020 by Susan Best. Let's start with the list. Number 1, Ingersoll Rand Air Hammer 114 GQC. Includes 3-piece chisel set. Quick change chisel retainer. Longer life alloyed steel barrel and heat-treated piston. Diffused handle exhaust. Ergonomic grip. Number 2, Sunex SX 243 HD 250mm long barrel air hammer. Long barrel design with 200 BPM. Aluminum alloy housing with ergonomic comfort grip. Hardened steel barrel for maximum durability. Built-in regular or knob for easy adjustment. Specification irons, blows per minute 200, bore, inch 3/4, stroke, inch 3/3, air inlet, in PT 1/4. Number 3, Astro Pneumatic Tool 4980 0.498 inches Shank Super Duty Air Hammer, Riveter. Maximum power air hammer for heavy-duty off-road, industrial and automotive applications. Remove or install rivets in I-beam suspension and worksite equipment, heavy-duty servicing of truck bushings, springs, kingpins and more. Speed, 1800 RPM. Bore, 3/4 inch. Stroke, 211/16. For more info on the products, visit the links in the video description below.